Okay, so boom, I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube that said I was supposed to bleach the knot of my wig. So I did that and I lost the whole closure. So I had to buy another one, shout out to AliExpress, and sew it back to my wig. As you can see, it's handmade. Let me show you a little closer. Look how I did that. Not too nice, but it's solid. So I did that, and look at it. You can even see the thread on the other side. No sign of thread nowhere. Show it off, show it off. That's right. So the goal is to refill this beauty with some warm tone, because she's too yellow pale, and to bring her back to dark I wouldn't be able to do that. So there she is. She's back to warm. I had to put some copper and gold tone into it, the dark brown on it. So she kind of look messy. She looks a mess. Not she looks messy, she looks a mess. It looks like I'm playing with a dead squirrel. This is disgusting, but fun at the same time, guys. It's really fun, no joke. This is my dark brown color. I tried to find a swatch that looked like the top of the closure that I had, and there she is. She is back. Can you guys believe this? She just looked like a dead squirrel. So that's the next day. I'm trying to blow dry this baby girl. I had to let her air dry a little bit because she was too wet. And I had to leave her there, sleep by herself. Came back the next morning, blow dried her the best as I could, try to make her really smooth and realistic, I guess, because at the end of the day it's a wig and the goal is to make her look good. That's probably Tia who came to tell me a joke or something, always trying to crack me up. Anyways, here I am still trying to blow dry this beauty. She had so much hair. AliExpress, seriously, you guys don't play. When you say it's 180% density, it's 180% density. That girl is thick. Anyways, I look like I'm getting tired. I don't want to do this anymore, but she feels so smooth. I just want to play in her hair all day, seriously. Believe it or not, guys, this is 2 days later, still playing with her, still trying to figure out something. Right now I'm giving her some curls because she needs to look like something, and I'm using a curling iron because she's thick. Shout out to Sophie, she's the one who taught me when you have thick hair you use a flat iron to flatten out the curls, and when you have fine hair you use a curling iron because you want some volume in that. Excuse my language. You really have to make sure that the hair is flat and smooth before you go back with the flat iron. So here I am trying to make her curly. You can notice that my flat iron is kind of thick. I think it's a 1. I don't know how much inches is that, but it's bigger than the regular one. So let's go slide that one strand. Ooh, that's right, baby. By the way, this is where the magic happened. My little corner, my little section. That's right. This is where I do my thing. If you're looking to get your hair done, DM your girl. But honestly, guys, I'm always open for DM consultations because I know some people live far and it's not always easy to come all the way downtown just to consult, you know. So send me the pictures, send me the hair inspiration, send me the current hair situation, and we'll see what we can do. I think I'm pretty fast to answer my messages, so don't be shy, guys. Just slide in. Shout out to Red Ken because their spray is the beep. Right now I'm using the Red Ken Hot Set 22, and seriously it sets those curls and they don't move. My hair, you don't move. And there she is, our beauty queen, our prom queen. Look at her, look at the flow, baby. Yes, I did that. So I decided to give her some bangs because she's banging, and also because wigs shed a lot, and whoever's gonna get this wig, just know that she's not gonna shed a lot because her bangs are thick, baby. Or maybe I should just keep it for myself. What should I do? Nah, she's for sale.
We are not the same.